Hi.
Hi. Hi.
What hobbies do you have?
What are your hobbies?
Zdravo. Koje hobije imaš?
I enjoy reading books and playing football.
You played football?
Uživam u čitanju knjiga i igranju fudbala.
That sounds interesting.
That sounds interesting.
Yeah, that does sound interesting.
I like painting and cooking.
Painting. Painting. Painting.
Zvuči zanimljivo. Ja volim slikanje i kuhanje.
Painting and cooking are great hobbies too.
Cooking.
Slikanje i kuhanje su također sjajni hobiji.
Yes.
Yes! 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 Yes!
They help me relax and be creative.
Helps me relax.
Da, oni mi pomažu opustiti se i biti kreativan.
Football keeps me active and energized.
And let's energize.
Fudbal me održava aktivnim i punim energije.
It's good to have hobbies that bring us joy.
But he'll bring us joy, Marge.
Dobro je imati hobije koji nam donose radost.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Hobbies make life more enjoyable.
So make your life enjoyable.
Potpuno se slažem. Hobiji čine život ugodnijim.
I agree.
I agree, buddy. I agree.
What other hobbies do you have?
Do you have any other hobbies?
Slažem se. Koje druge hobije imaš?
I also like playing the guitar and gardening.
I like playing a stupid guitar.
Također volim svirati gitaru i baviti se vrtlarstvom.
That's wonderful.
Oh, that's wonderful, wonderful.
We have so many hobbies in common.
We have so much in common.
To je divno. Imamo mnoge zajedničke hobije.
Yes, we can enjoy them together sometime.
No, for us to enjoy together.
Da, možemo ih zajedno uživati nekad.
Now, let's repeat with us.
Hobbies.
Hobiji.
Reading.
Čitanje.
Painting.
Slikanje.
Cooking.
Kuhanje.
Relax.
Opustiti se.
Creative.
Kreativan.
Football.
Fudbal.
Active.
Aktivnim.
Energized.
Punim energije.
Joy.
Radost.
Play the guitar.
Svirati gitaru.
Gardening.
Vrtlarstvo.
Common.
Zajedničke.
Enjoy.
Uživati.